Hi guys, and welcome to the educational trade analysis video for today. So this is one of a swing trade what I have taken in a recent time, and I'll show you the performance of the latest swing trade what I have taken. Okay, so on this particular chart setup is where I have traded on the positional trade. Okay, so as you guys can see on the screen, there's a details of where I made my entry, exit, and everything. And please note this video is only for educational purpose, and for this trade I have almost invested around 10 lakh rupees and made a profit of almost 50,000 rupees. Okay, so almost 5% of the target is what I've achieved on this particular chart setup. And now let me explain you how I have traded it and how I made my entry, exit, and everything. Okay, so guys, I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience, and if you guys are looking to improve your trading skill and knowledge, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and message me and get in touch with me to get more details on the educational purpose. Okay, so now let's talk about a bit of analysis on this particular trade what I have done on this particular chart setup. So as you guys can see here, this chart is having this resistance level. So the highest point is always a resistance level. So from this highest point, the stock had come down, and from here it has gone up. Okay, so now this is a place where I did my entry. So why I have did my entry here? So you can see here, this was one of a breakout, as you guys can see. So from the support level, the stock has gone up to this breakout level. So of course, at this place, I was not able to catch this stock because I was not analyzing this particular stock at that particular time. I was on other stock trade. But later, as I saw a few couple of weeks back, this stock from the support level, it has gone up. So I was thinking that this is a resistance level. So if this resistance level was taken, there were chances where the stock price would come down. But you can see here, this resistance level gave a breakout. Okay, so that's the reason why I have made my entry here around 1240 somewhere over here, and I kept my target around 1300, almost 5% of the target. So this was my target, and I kept my stop loss somewhere close to 1220 and 1215. So you can see almost 1:3 risk reward ratio is what I followed in this particular trade. So this was my stop loss, and this was my target, and this was my entry level. Okay, so here, as I said you that this was one of a key resistance level, and this key resistance level gave a breakout, and you can see here the price moved up and gave the target, and after that also you can see still the price has moved up and it has gone up till 1377, and now we can see the price is again retracing, and again it has come to the same support level where I had entered. So anyway, I had booked my target within 2 days of the trade when I've taken in this positional trade. Okay, so this was a particular trade what I've traded on this particular setup. And yes, if the stock was at its main resistance level, then I would not go for a buying side, because at the resistance level there are many chances that the stock price might reverse and come down and hit the stop loss. So you need to know what point you're trading and what breakout you're trading. Okay, for example, here I have traded on this one of a key resistance level breakout, not the major resistance level breakout. Okay, so whenever there is a breakout on the key resistance level with good volume of buyers, then there are chances it can break the key resistance and go and hit the next main resistance level. But here we can see it has moved up, but it has not moved up until the next main resistance level what we have. So the stock price will always not move towards exact its resistance level or till the exact its support level before it reverses or takes the support. So you need to analyze and be very careful about making your right entries and exit in trading. So here, for example, I have kept my target as 5% and the stop loss, which is almost 1 to 1.5 percentage. So that's how I have managed this particular trade. Okay, so if you guys are interested to learn more about trading and want to learn more educational skill and knowledge in trading, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, and I'll be sharing you all the educational and skill set what I have learned from my 10 years plus of experience. Okay, so this is a trade what I've done recent time in the swing trade, and this was a trade what I've executed, and this is how I've traded on this particular chart setup. So I'll update you the trades what I have taken on my next videos, the next trades what I will take. So I hope you guys learned something from this educational analysis video. Okay, so if you guys like to watch more analysis videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and like the video. Okay, and stay tuned for next upcoming videos. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.